team. We're working our way towards Super Bowl 49, still to come. Hall of Famer Rod Woodson chats with Richard Sherman of the Seahawks. And up next, Kurt Warner joins me. From Westwood One, this is Super Sunday.
Levi's Garage has been one of the most trusted and dependable auto repair shops in the area for over 55 years. Their knowledgeable staff and mechanics only repair what you want repaired. And while they're under the hood of your vehicle, they'll let you know if anything else needs a tune-up as well. Honest and qualified mechanics can be hard to find sometimes. Trust Levi's Garage for all auto repair problems. Levi's Garage, 554 North Convent in Bourbonnais. Call today at 815-932-0145 or visit online at levisgarage.com.
The symptoms of a stroke include arm weakness, a drooping of one side of the face, and difficulty speaking. Yet when treatment is sought immediately, doctors can stop the damage from spreading. But when treatment is sought from a doctor at present St. Mary's Hospital, they may actually reverse the